how to cancel autopay in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel autopay in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cancel autopay in Netflix, it's actually quite simple. Just go to netflix.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now let's say that you want Netflix to stop charging you each month without your consent or without your permission. For that you have to stop autopay. So how do you do it? As I said, you have to be on the browser and not the app. Then click the profile icon here and then just go to this option known as account. Once you come to the account tab over here, you'll be able to see this. There are two ways on how you can cancel autopay. One is that you can simply change your billing date. So currently my billing date is September of 24, which means every month of 24 it is actually going to get me billed. So if I want to postpone this, I can postpone this to 28, 29. This way I'll stop getting charged on the 24th each month. So here you can say change billing date. But if you really want to cancel your autopay, the only way you can do this is to simply cancel your membership. So basically click the cancel membership option here. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Now what happens when you cancel your membership is that, let's say that your billing date is the 24th of each month, and let's say today is just 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, just like that, and you've already been charged for this month, right? Because the Netflix always charges in advance. So when you cancel a membership, what happens is that your plan is going to remain till the end of the last billing cycle, which means that until when your next billing date is. After that it is simply going to stop the membership. So from next month onwards it will not charge you, and if you want to resume it, you have to resume your membership itself. So that's how it works. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.